Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are checking out another great cover of that song from K-pop demon hunters. This one is a cover to the song called Golden, and it's being done by an amazing singer by the name of BADA. Let's check out her performance.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 어두워진 길 속에 given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I need to lie, try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Kind of problem child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. 끝없이 on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a dreaming how we came so far. Now I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You're together, we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up in our voices. 영원히 깨질 수 없는. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like a there's no lie that who we're
A very beautiful, a very powerful voice from this lady. So many covers of this song, and this right here is yet another brilliant, beautiful cover of this amazing song.
waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally let the girl there see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm gonna be. Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe. We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're going.
Amazing. So beautiful. That was a brilliant cover, amazing voice. I love her deep low notes and I love her high notes. So beautiful when she sings this one. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.